too deep, thinking of the reasons. Take my life today and stray a different way. People come and go, full of curse and betray. Living in a place where we cannot stay. History of family has been replaced. Going through emotions full of disgrace. Life's going too fast, can't keep up the pace. Heads on the water, just keep on fighting. Out of the surface, all things will brighten.
Sprouting from the ground like a wildflower. Birds in the sky that we aspire. Taking our chances as we desire.
Ooh.
Now I'm back from beneath,
the
ground. Now I can run. There's no stopping me now. I'm rising up today. Nothing's getting in my way. Nothing anyone can say beyond the surface. Beyond the surface. Beyond the surface. Beyond the surface. Beyond the surface.